Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I want to show y'all what I got from Amazon. Something to put my makeup in so I can have it all in one place. And I don't have to be digging through piles of stuff on my makeup dresser. Okay, let me re-angle this so y'all can see. Okay, I got this beautiful. It's heavy. Look at this, y'all. Okay, this is called the YAHEETECH Rolling Makeup Train Case. And let me give you a close-up. Oh, this beautiful diamond, look like patent leather texture on it. So I'm going to show you how it looks inside. It has a, looks like a piece of luggage. It has this handle so you can roll it. I had to put the wheels on it. It says a traveling train case, but I wouldn't travel with nothing this heavy. I got it for the house. So I can roll it from the makeup room to the dining room where I do my Makeup Monday videos, and I can have all my makeup in one place instead of trying to gather it up and put it in this little see-through pouch that I bring in here. So everything will be in here. So let's get to it. So I'm going to show you, before I open it up, I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, as I said, it's on wheels. I don't lower this anymore without tearing up my stuff. You open this. So it's knee length on me, knee height. And it maneuvers nicely. It has a push button so I can push it down, all the way down. So I'm going to open it up. It has these, like a trunk clasp on here. You can open it up. So these open. Comes all the way open. They're on metal tracks, nice and sturdy. It has a deep storage place in here. It's about this deep on me. So if you put all your makeup palettes or upright bottles or whatever, if you're a nail technician, put all your stuff up down in here, and the stuff you need immediately at hand in these little trays. The towel, all your equipment, everything. So let me show you this other compartment. Close it up. Okay. It has, you have to lift it. It has a drawer. I'm trying to open it with one hand. It's a nice little drawer. And it's deep enough for whatever you want to put in here. So I just want to have everything in one place. Oh, it's heavy. So it ain't for lifting. And I've seen some of these cases, they have different compartments that you unhinge and take out, and you put one part over there, and they each got stuff in them. I want everything in one place. Okay. So this is my YAHEETECH traveling. What is this called? YAHEETECH rolling makeup train case. It says it has aluminum cosmetic wheels. It's lockable. It came with 4 keys. Well, I ain't locking this. What else? Travel trolley with sliding drawer. Removable divider. Where is the removable divider? Did I get a divider? Removable divider. Hope I didn't throw it away. Let me see. Is there anything in here? Removable divider. I ain't seen no divider. Ain't no divider in here. No. Not in here. And it's not in the drawer. I'll have to contact the company. Has a nice, sturdy, comfortable handle. And it looks quality, y'all. I like pretty stuff. And I might get one for my fingernail stuff. I do gel nails from time to time. And that stuff is in a big plastic thing right now. I like this. So I got mine about a week and a half ago, and it was $73. Now it's $93. But I would have paid that. But getting it $20 cheaper, that's nice. Yep, it's $93.99 right now. I don't know what divider they're talking about because I don't even see it on here. But anyway, this also comes in red. The same texture on here, which is really pretty. And it comes in black and red. Well, this looks like black with a little red trim on it. So how much that one cost? They all cost the same. The red one is $96.99. Wow. And they have a model that's smooth. It's black and it's smooth like leather. But I like this texture on here. So once again, this is what it looks like. Very sturdy. So I'm going to load this up with my makeup that I actually use. And turn my makeup room dresser back into an actual dresser. So I will put the link for this in my description box. What does it say? It says aluminum sliding tracks. That's what, when you open up those compartments in here, those are aluminum sliding tracks. Heavy duty metal hardware. And the wheels, they go every which way. I don't know how to describe it. Easy maneuverable wheels that I wish I had on my carry-on luggage when I'm going down the aisle in the airplane. Instead of, some of them are locked into going forward or backwards. This goes every which way. Why do they keep calling it a train case? Who's going to take this heavy thing on the train? In my opinion, it's too heavy. Because at some point you will have to pick it up. And if it's going to be loaded with makeup, that's really, really heavy. So, I ain't trying to bad mouth the product, but I'm being real. And also, if you do hair, this will hold your hair supplies. I used to do hair from my home. Well, actually, it was crochet hair. But still had to have my crochet supplies all in one place, which I didn't have. It was all over the house. So, I just want to show you this YAHEETECH rolling makeup case with sliding drawer organizer and swivel. That's the word I want to use for the wheels. Swivel wheels. And it's great. I love it. And I want to show you a picture of it on here. That's how it looks fully stocked. That's awesome. I got a lot of makeup, y'all. And it's the way I treat my makeup is horrible. It's scattered all over my dresser. Okay. Thumbnail. I'll open it up. Okay. Push it back some. I can't wait to load it up. Okay. Let me get in on it. Okay. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.